Whoa, 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 whoa! So there's this trend going around.
It's so 2024.
But we're doing it in 2025.
Because we're cool like that.
First off, have you guys subscribed in 2025 yet? Yep.
And in 2025, our goal is to reach 1 million subscribers.
And get that gold play button.
We're so close, guys.
Okay, so this trend is pretty funny.
We're each gonna take turns making a ridiculous face.
Like this.
Or this.
Or this.
Or this.
Yeah. And then the other person has to guess the sound.
Okay, I'm going first. Here's my face.
Okay, we're gonna both make the sound at the same time. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, the sound that I liked the best was Payton's.
1 point for me.
My face is gonna be this.
Okay, make the sound in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Blake, which sound do you think was the closest to the face you pulled?
Payton's.
Yep. No, she was going like this the entire time.
Okay, my sound was this.
So wasn't this?
No, we must be.
It was this. It was.
It wasn't that. She said it was. Okay, guys, are you ready for my face? Ready?
Okay, Blake, let's make the sound in 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Okay, the sound that I think is the closest to the face I made was Blake's because I went like this at the end. No, I didn't just say like this.
Hey, get a play!
You guys ready for this one?
Okay, so. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
I have no idea what I just did. I didn't hear anything except for hers.
Okay, the noise that matches my face the most was Blake's. The eyebrows.
2 and 2 and 0.
No,
2 and
1 and 2.
2. No,
Yeah.
I just got a point.
It's 2 and 2 because I got one for hers too. She has 2 and 2 and what is yours? 0.
Okay, so far I have 0 points.
And I'm tied for first place.
I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Wait. Where's her teeth?
I'm gonna do your red teeth.
Alright, let's make that sound in 3, 2, 1.
I think it was Payton.
You're lying.
Ha! I have 3 points for the win.
My sound was better, right, guys?
Obviously not. All right, guys, look at my face. Ready?
Wait, I didn't get to see
She
it.
was covering my eyes. You guys.
Watch, watch.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
None of them was close to it at all.
I did the same thing as hers.
Yeah, she copied me.
We had to do the same thing. She did the same thing as me. We had to do a different.
No.
Here's the face again.
Okay, we'll make the sound in 3, 2, 1.
Aruga.
Aruga.
Aruga. I did Aruga. And you did Aruga.
They're not close at all, but the best sound was Jordyn.
Yes!
3 points.
I have 2 points.
And I have 1. Final round. Here's my face. Pay attention.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
No, none of you guys are close, but I guess Blake sounded better.
is my face. Ready?
Three, two, one.
Awooga! Awooga!
Awooga! You copied my last one.
I did awooga!
Yeah.
Because it's not her.
That was super close. But Jordyn got it right. She did B instead of 2. I did P actually. But okay. I got 2 points.
I got 3 points.
And I got 4 points. I'm the winner. Okay, we're gonna do another 2024 trend.
And it involves this deck of cards and this cup. Glass cup.
We're gonna take turns blowing some of these cards off this deck.
And we do not want to blow off the last card.
The person who blows off the last card gets a punishment.
Dun, dun, dun.
Competition starts now. Okay. Oh, that was a lot. Oh, okay. Only one card. Let's look like this. Blow up higher.
What's the punishment?
Okay, Blake's punishment is she has to drink a little bit of lemon juice. Oh, she did all of that right then and there. Yeah, good job. Oh.
Give me water.
You good?
No.
Let's do it again. Don't lose this time.
Okay.
Round 2. Come on, Blake. Yeah, good job.
Oh no.
Come on. Whoa. What is this? Okay, come on. Oh, she got 1 exactly after that one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I can't get it. Okay, come on. Oh, no. Oh. You have to drink the lemon juice.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, you were just yelling, I need water.
No, it's not that bad. Alright, drink it.
Tastes gross.
It tastes good.
No, it's not sour, it just tastes bad.
It tastes so good.
No, it's not. No, you were yelling.
I want some more.
No. Last round. How much is there left? First off, you're weird. Second off, I think she planned that, so Payton would lose.
No, I wanted to.
Alright, it looks like we all got punishments, and now it's my turn. Oh, I don't like that. Okay, who's gonna win? We'll see. You guys ready? Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Okay, now it's Parker's turn. Okay. That's not what it did go. Okay. All right.
Jordyn, what do you want? She's reaching in. She's coming out. Oh. You gotta make it big.
I'm thinking.
That's it for today's video.
Thank you guys for watching today's video.
Give us a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to our channel.
Just for Girls out. Peace.